Hey, this is Tanner from Grote Company, and this is our new slicer applicator, which is our multi-lane cantilevered slicer. It can slice and apply and bulk slice, or stack and shingle. In this video, we're giving you a general overview of all the pieces, as well as showing a brief demonstration. This is the exit side of the machine. On this side, you can see our new telescoping doors, which allow a smaller footprint, as well as easy to access water controls. One of the biggest updates to this new design is sanitation. Open channel frame allows for easier access and better cleaning. Solid tubing eliminates any hermetically sealed tubing. Standoffs to eliminate touch points as much as possible. And sloped NEMA panel to eliminate standing water. Still on the exit side of the machine, with the telescoping doors open, you can see our redesigned blade guide mounting system. This system will allow for easier and more repeatable setup, as well as reduce maintenance downtime for changeouts. So in the machine here is our retention assembly, which locks the blade guide in place. This eccentric allows for adjustments of the blade depth. All of these things together allow for a much simpler setup. Here on the drive side of the machine, you can see our HMI as well as our sloped electrical panel. We offer an optional upgrade on the HMI so you can see PDF manuals as well as electrical schematics. Opening the drive side door, you can see our redesigned cluster drive assembly as well as our blade motor. All motors are IP69K rated, which help and aid in sanitation. Over on the idle side, up top there you can see our electronic thickness adjust, which is optional. It allows for fine-tuned control of thickness through the HMI. You can also see our redesigned access door, which is driven by charged air cylinders. This allows access to the idle side pulley, blade tension knob, as well as the blade tracking knob. Another benefit of this redesign is a rework of our blade system. We've increased the pulley size, as well as reworked the blade angle to reduce flexing and pressure on the blade, which reduces wear. Grote offers 3 models of slicer applicators with varying slicing widths. It can slice and apply and bulk slice up to 150 strokes per minute per lane, or stack and shingle up to 120 strokes per minute per lane.